You're just gonna stand there and eat the entire plate of pineapple? Yes? Like you want, my child. Like you want. It's all yours. But just leave a few pieces for Papa, okay? We leave some for Papa? Yes, this is for Papa.
Hi guys, and good morning everybody. Happy Monday. Well, the weekend finished, so I'm ready to go back to work. So yeah, sad face. Yeah, hope you all enjoy your weekend. That was great here. That was great here as usually. Had a lot of fun, and yeah. Happy Thanksgiving week. For all of the American and everybody who celebrate Thanksgiving. Is not the case here, but yeah, I'm ready to go to work now, so wish all of you happy day. Enjoy today vlog, and catch you guys when I come back from work.
Say good morning, Fibs.
Morning.
How are you? Say good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good afternoon.
Morning.
Good night.
Good night.
Alright. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Your boy and I here chilling. We've been up to so much this morning, but I just didn't get a chance. You just want to count? Okay, count. Take out the passy and count. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Wheat.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Wheat.
What's this?
Wheat.
What's this? This. This boy loves to count, whether English or French. He's just counting away, and once he sees this book or his other book or the numbers on the wall, he just wants to count non-stop. So you guys, I've been up early this morning. I got a full blast head-on workout in, so you know it's about to be a good day as usual. One. Count.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3.
Mm-hmm.
1,
Mhm.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! Hooray! High five. Bravo.
100.
100. Where's one? He said 100. This boy just love numbers. Anything naughty.
19.
19. Where's 19?
Coming. Coming.
Yeah, go for 19. We've been up just getting stuff done around the house, feeding Tyler, looking after myself, editing vlogs, and now I'm about to go give Tyler a bath and put him down for a nap, because today is work day for me. It's also work day for Babe, so you guys won't see Babe until later. I don't know if he vlogged this morning, but if he didn't, you guys will see him after. If he did, then you guys would have seen him before. Babe is off to work, and I'm going to work in a bit. So he's coming home to keep Tyler today because Tyler don't have daycare today. Some days babe just rather come home a little earlier than usual, that way he can also relax and not just work from 8 in the morning to 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. Some days he just wants to come home. So some days, instead of taking Tyler to the daycare, babe says he just wants to come home. And on Mondays, normally that kind of day. So happy Monday. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys have a wonderful day. Whether you guys have school, whether you guys have work, whether you guys just staying home and doing nothing, just have a good day. And on that note, I'm gonna stop screaming. On that note, I'm going to go give my baby a bath and put him down for a nap. Come, Papa, let's go. Didn't I just say I was gonna stop screaming? I can't hear myself. It's a black woman thing. Tyler! Ty! Let's go nap time! Hey! Let's go bath. Go, go, go! Go! Oh! You're rubbing soap on your feet! On your face! You guys, I still look crazy all morning. Just as I said that, you know what, my mind is getting cloudy because I'm sitting around the computer all morning trying to get some stuff done. I said I'm going to nap before my little nugget wake up, and 2 seconds later I hear Mama, Mama, Mama. There he was, wake up, and he's asking for pineapple. So we are going to what? Peel pineapple, right? You love pineapple? Pineapple, pineapple. Tyler loves pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple.
Mama?
Yes, baby, we're going to peel the pineapple so you can get it to eat. You love pineapple?
Pineapple.
You love to eat pineapple?
Pineapple.
Yeah. Mama going to peel it for you. Ready?
Ready?
Pineapple is one of the cheapest fruit in France. This looks pretty. I didn't even pay €1 for this. I think I paid 99 cents for it. One of the cheapest. And the funniest thing about the supermarket, or fruits and vegetable supermarket, is that man, this pineapple look too good to go to waste. I might just make some juice with it. Attention, yes, I am being careful. Yeah, I am being careful, baby. It's okay. Yeah, I am being careful. It's okay. Thanks for letting me know to be careful. Mama is being careful. Don't worry. Thanks for caring about Mama. Ooh. This pineapple looks so sweet. Like I was telling you guys, the craziest thing about my fruit and vegetable supermarket and this pineapple that I bought, the pineapple that is not, because you know you have what we would call it in Jamaica, sugar pineapple, and this is just exactly that. So this one is more cheaper than the pineapple that is not so sweet, which I find crazy. I would think that the one that is more sweet would be more expensive, but I'm not mad at all. because this look heavenly right now. I know Tyler's gonna feel it. What? Yes, baby, yes. Yeah, Mama is not mad. What? Yeah. I don't like to leave the middle of my pineapple in because it scratched my throat. And I wouldn't imagine that Tyler would feel that. Yes, baby, attention. I am being careful. Oui, attention. Pineapple. You want to have your first piece? Here you go. What do you say? You're welcome. It's yummy. This pineapple looks so good. Oh my gosh. It's yummy. Look at his face. You guys, look at this pineapple. Look how sweet it looks. And I think that I am just going to go ahead and make some juice with these right now. You're just gonna stand there and eat the entire plate of pineapple? Yes? Like you want, my child. Like you want. It's all yours. But just leave a few pieces for Papa, okay? We'll leave some for Papa? Yes, this is for Papa. That's all you're leaving for Papa? Yeah? You're just so excited about your pineapple? That's for Mama? Thank you. That's for Mama too. Okay. Alright. What else? And that's for Papa? You guys, I'm making pineapple juice and eat. I'm making pineapple juice and one of my subscribers, which I love so much. Pineapple juice. Yes, pineapple juice. Priscilla is going to be so proud of me because the last time she saw me cutting pineapples, she said, Mel, send me them, she was speaking in Jamaican patois. She was saying, Mel, send me them pineapple skin, let me make some juice. So today me I make some pineapple juice, my gal. Yes, she's gonna be so excited to see me making this pineapple juice. So you guys, I'm making dinner, and this actually that I'm making is for Babe. Babe love mushrooms, so I am making him mushroom and beans in here. Me on the other hand, I can't stand the mushroom for the love of me, so I'm making him some mushroom and beans. So I have mushroom, beans, onions, assorted sweet pepper, and just some salt and some Maggi seasoning and olive oil. And I'm just going to cover this and let it cook for a few minutes. And then over here in this pot, I am making some sauteed turkey breast in oyster sauce. For the win. Yes, baby.
Hi guys, yeah, I'm back from work now, along with Tyler. Babe's at work, so I'm doing a babysitter as usually on Monday. Tyler is here with his mess as usually. The living room is not the living room. We try to put everything in his room, but doesn't work. Look like he gets used to. He bring his toys. Whenever we put his toys in his room, he just bring everything back in the living room. So yeah, Tyler started to speak so much, but we don't really understand everything now. But he looks like he's doing sentences, a long sentences, and yeah, it's like baby language chill, but some word in the middle of the sentences are understandable. So yeah, Tyler is here doing everything. He's doing his puzzle, doing his painture, paint, is watching TV, like learning things on TV, and he's all over the place. So yeah, I'm gonna play a little bit with him, put some orders before babe comes from work, so at least that's some things that we won't have to do when she will be here. So yeah, I hope guys you're having a wonderful day, and yeah.
Oh, hi Faves, it's that time of the night where we tell you guys
Good night.
Where we tell you guys thanks for watching today's vlog. We appreciate every single one of you. We just finished watching another episode of Scandal. Scandal haven't disappointed. It's the bomb that come from start to finish, from episode 1 season 1.
Season 2 better than season 1.
Yeah, we're in season 2 now, right? Season 2 episode
I wasn't a
10.
big fan of season 1 because it's like each episode is
Predictable.
No, it's
Oh,
not.
because a different story was
Each
that follow.
episode was a different story, but the season 2 it likes is a reels, like
Yeah.
it's everything following. So yeah,
Yeah.
and I watch my Naruto today too. So
Baby's catching up on his Naruto.
yeah.
And Tala is off to bed. He's tired and we are heading to bed right now. But we're coming on to end the vlog the traditional way and give you guys the Jamaican and French expressions. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. Jamaican expression for today is galang. If you hear a Jamaican say, "Y'all galang dong de so." Galang. The word galang simply mean go on.
Galang.
Watch the French word or expression for
The
today.
French word, I'm sure you never heard this one. Oh, the French expression is pleure, tu pisseras moins. Pleure is cry. Tu pisseras moins is like you're gonna pee less. So when the baby is crying and you want to also like to bother the baby, or you just, you know, when the baby is crying and they want, if you say something to just continue crying, or you just tell them like, okay, continue to cry, at least tonight you will pee less. That's something that can make the baby stopping because they don't want to go on the same way than you. So it's like, cry, you're gonna pee less.
Hilarious.
That's something that you're gonna hear a lot the French parents say when the baby is crying, and then the baby is mad and like you want to stop because you don't want this. So say it. Pleure.
Pleure.
Tu pisseras
Tu pisseras
moins.
moins.
Right, tu pisseras moins. That's a funny one. That's a good one.
Hilarious. Right, you're going to
At
pee
least you
less.
cry now, so you have less tear, less water.
Hilarious.
Pee
That
less.
makes a lot of sense. Cry, you'll pee less. Oh my gosh. Alright, you guys.
Can you believe if you're crying and I tell you, okay, just continue crying, at least you're gonna pee less tonight. So you just, duh, and I don't want to cry anymore.
But then I would cry because to pee less would be good.
That's not how baby reacting, you know. The baby don't react like they want to be in a position with you. It's like if you say, stop crying, they're gonna cry more because they know they want to embarrass you.
Alright, you guys, you get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright. Catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe.
If you are new.
Alright, you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye, guys.